Hi everyone, this is Teacher Lynn from Camglish.com. Today we'll be having our new topic from another unit of our book, Communicating in Business. So, class, are you excited and ready to learn more about business? Especially the strategies or techniques that you might use in dealing with different kinds of situations. Well, that's good. Let's now proceed to our page. So, for today, we'll start our lesson with topic number 9. The end is near. This is the end. So, in this topic, expect that we'll have to tackle or discuss about the structure, the end, summarizing and concluding, the questions and discussion. So, speaking of structure and the end, what or how do you think we should end a presentation? Good idea. So, in ending a presentation, it is important to give a signal. A signal when you're close to the end. Ending the presentation by suddenly arriving at your last PowerPoint sheet, let's say, isn't the best performance. Tell your public when you only have to do one or two more slides or just a minute more. You can also use this moment to shake up the people that did not listen too well anymore. Leave a silence of a few seconds to draw attention and tell them you're nearly there. Okay, and then summarize and conclude. As people will remember the end of your presentation best, it is a great opportunity to repeat and emphasize your main message. Make a short summary of what you said and give the conclusions. It can be helpful to think about the very last sentences in advance. Some nice, well spoken last words can ignite a good applause. Okay? And then ask for questions gracefully. Like for most presentations, you'll have to answer questions afterwards. Alright. So you try to do that in giving or making your ending. Alright. So again, what does the end of a presentation contain? Okay. And what is the difference, if any, between a summary and a conclusion? Well, I could say or I think a summary is a look at the overall problem approach to solving the problem and what the result was of the attempted problem solving. If you read abstracts of scientific papers, those are summaries of the papers, more or less. A conclusion has to deal more with the results and the relevance of those results to the problem. It may also take into account any errors or issues the researcher may have encountered that could have skewed the results in any way, although in most papers that is elaborated upon in the discussion. Okay, so I think that would be the difference between the two. How about you? It's your turn to give your idea. Okay. Now, on our next page, I am asking you to comment on the different approaches used by two speakers or by the two speakers in the photos. Can you suggest reasons for the different endings? Let's say this is the first one. So I think that's all. Now, any questions? And then the other one is, well, that concludes my talk. Now we can move to the discussion if anyone has any comments or points to raise. Now I want you to comment on the different approaches used by those two speakers. Can you suggest reasons for the different endings?
Yeah, you will have the time. Yeah, I think yes. You don't.
Okay, and I want you to just tell it. Okay, in the class.
Just like me on Friday, not now.
All right.
But you are on vacation.
Now let's do number 4. In which of the following given situations do you think a discussion is more appropriate than questions? Let's say we have a sales representative's presentation of a new product, a CEO's statement on corporate policy, A politician's speech on transportation policy. A team leader's talk to colleagues on the next phase of a project. A manager's proposal to a group of senior executives on improving productivity. I want you to, okay, of course, give me your answers and ideas for each given situations. Okay. Well, thank you for giving me all your answers, ideas, and opinions. We'll have more of the discussion about this, of course. The topic, the end is near. This is the end, unit number 9 on our next video. This has been me again, and I will see you. Goodbye.